In this video, I will show you how you can fix menu not scrolling down on Roblox PS4 and PS5. So if we go on the options, and if you scroll with a left stick, if it's not working for you, what you need to do here first is to basically touch and press your D-pad. Press one time and then try to scroll again. Sometimes basically D-pad opens up menu that is here, and sometimes scrolling is not working. But if you touch the D-pad for a few times and if it's not working, what you need to do here is to just press options, then you need to go and press leave, and then try to enter experience again, and then you need to look if the problem is gone or not. And if it's not gone, keep in mind, guys, that's just a new release. Sometimes it will have some bugs because it just released on PS4 and PS5 a few days ago. So don't expect to be a game perfect. If it's not working for you, then you just need to wait. Right, so that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.